Imagine a home where modern design meets nature's tranquility. This single-story tropical minimalist house offers an inspiring blend of open-concept living and seamless integration with its lush surroundings. By embracing simplicity, natural materials, and thoughtful architecture, the house becomes more than a dwelling. It's a sanctuary. From its clean lines to its welcoming layout, every element reflects the tropical ethos: warmth, harmony, and relaxation. This is a place where less truly becomes more. As you approach the house, its facade makes a bold yet inviting statement. Walls finished in earthy tones, complemented by wooden accents and a low-profile roofline, harmonize with the verdant landscape. Large glass panels frame the exterior, giving a glimpse into the airy interiors while reflecting the surrounding greenery. A pathway of natural stone, lined with tropical plants, guides you to the entrance, setting the tone for a serene retreat. One of the most captivating aspects of this home is its seamless connection between the interiors and the yard. Sliding glass doors open wide, dissolving the boundary between inside and out. The living room flows into a covered patio, furnished with comfortable outdoor seating. This space invites family gatherings, quiet mornings with coffee, or evenings under the stars. Whether you're inside or outside, the house ensures that nature is always within reach. Step inside and you're immediately greeted by an expansive open layout that connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen. This fluid design eliminates barriers, fostering a sense of freedom and connection. The polished concrete floors add a modern touch, while natural wood beams overhead soften the look, creating a cozy, grounded atmosphere. Thanks to oversized sliding doors, the indoor spaces blend effortlessly with the outdoor yard, making nature an integral part of everyday life. In the heart of the home, the living area exudes minimalist sophistication. A low-slung sofa in neutral tone sits atop a textured jute rug, complemented by a sleek wooden coffee table. Tropical plants in ceramic pots add vibrancy and life. The neutral palette enhances the airy feel, while thoughtful decor choices, a single art piece, soft linen curtains, and woven light fixtures, balance simplicity with character. Every detail invites relaxation and easy living. The kitchen and dining area are a celebration of functionality and style. The kitchen features flat panel cabinets in warm wood tones, paired with a stone countertop that echoes the natural surroundings. Open shelving showcases handmade pottery and glassware, while modern appliances are discreetly integrated. The dining table, crafted from reclaimed wood, is positioned near floor-to-ceiling glass doors, offering diners an uninterrupted view of the serene yard. Simple pendant lights add elegance without overpowering the space. The master bedroom is a calming escape that maintains the house's minimalist principles. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide panoramic views of the tropical yard, blurring the boundary between indoors and out. The bed, with its crisp white linens and wooden frame, is the focal point, accented by side tables and soft lighting. A walk-in wardrobe ensures clutter-free living, while the ensuite bathroom, adorned with natural stone and lush greenery, offers a spa-like experience in the comfort of home. Designed with visitors in mind, the guest room continues the home's minimalist aesthetic while adding a touch of warmth. A queen-size platform bed is paired with soft linens in earthy tones, evoking a restful ambience. Wall sconces provide subtle illumination, ideal for evening relaxation. Large windows overlook a private corner of the yard, offering guests a serene retreat. A small writing desk in natural wood, paired with a rattan chair, adds function without cluttering the space. The beautiful yard is the heart of this tropical minimalist house, transforming the outdoor space into a living, breathing extension of the home. A meticulously designed garden showcases lush tropical plants, from vibrant heliconias to tall, graceful palms. A stepping stone pathway leads to a shaded pergola, perfect for reading or meditation. The yard's centerpiece, a tranquil water feature, fills the air with the soft sound of flowing water, enhancing the sense of peace and relaxation. Every material in the house reflects an intentional approach to sustainability and beauty. Locally sourced wood is used for furniture, doors, and window frames, ensuring minimal environmental impact. The polished concrete floors provide durability and a modern aesthetic, while also offering excellent thermal properties to keep the house cool. Natural fabrics like cotton and linen are used for upholstery and curtains, enhancing comfort and maintaining harmony with the home's tropical environment. This home is not just beautiful, it's practical for its tropical setting. High ceilings and cross ventilation maximize airflow, keeping the interiors cool even on warm days. The large overhangs on the roof provide ample shade, protecting the house from intense sunlight. Carefully placed greenery acts as a natural insulator while also improving air quality. By combining aesthetic appeal with functional design, this house becomes a model for tropical living that is both modern and timeless. This single-story tropical minimalist house is more than just a place to live. It's a sanctuary where simplicity, nature, and modernity come together in perfect harmony. From its open concept design to the lush, inviting yard, every aspect of the home is crafted to nourish the soul and inspire a deeper connection with the environment. Whether you're starting your day with birdsong or winding down under the stars, this house offers a lifestyle that is both peaceful and fulfilling.